Hello, hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about cloud storage for manufacturing, handling, production data. Cloud storage is a valuable resource for the manufacturing industry, enabling efficient and secure management of production data in a sector that generates vast amounts of data, including product specification, quality control record, inventory data, and production reports. Cloud storage provides a centralized and scalable solution. Here's an in-depth look at how cloud storage is used in manufacturing to handle production data. Centralized data repository. Cloud storage offers a centralized location to store and organize various types of production data, such as production design, manufacturing interaction, suppliers information, and quality control record. The centralization provides several benefits: efficient data management. Manufacturing companies organize and categorize production data, making it easy to access and retrieve when needed. Streamlined collaboration. Cross-functional teams, including engineers, designers, and quality control professionals, can collaborate more effectively by accessing and updating data in real time from different locations. Version control. Cloud storage often includes version control features, ensuring that the most up-to-date documents and designs are accessible while maintaining an audit trail of change. Number 2. Scalability. Cloud storage can scale easily to accommodate growing production data volumes as manufacturing companies expand their operations or launch new products. They can increase their storage capacity without the need of extensive infrastructure investments. Access control and security. Security is paramount in manufacturing, especially when dealing with sensitive production data. Leading cloud storage providers implement robust security measures, including encryption, access controls, and authentication to product data from unauthorized access or data breach. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.